In this video we will introduce Rating Bar Part 1. Most companies have reams of data. It would be great to allow customers to rate products to get to know them better and build their options around their preferences. The more you know about what the customer likes and doesn't like, the better we can give suggestions they will love. For example, in an application they could rate a few TV shows, music, products, and movies. Let's look at a basic example of how to implement a rating bar. Here I have my main2.xml layout. And now I'm going to add a label, a rating bar, and a submit button. I'm going to use the text view tag for my label, and we'll call it my rate me as the ID. Then we're going to set up the layout. For both the width and the height. And then our text for the label. And we're also going to set the text appearance to medium. So now we have our label ready. Let's add our rating bar. First we're going to give it the ID. Which is going to be rating bar. We're going to reuse the layout. And we're going to set a property called number of stars. We'll also set step size. And finally rating. So here we see that the numbers of stars or the rating items to show is 4. The step size defines the granularity for each star. For example, a value of 0.5 would allow only half a star ratings. And when we set the Android rating, we're setting the default value for our rating bar. The rating bar contains many configurable values. In this case, the rating bar contains 4 stars, each increase by a value of 1. So it contains a minimum of 1, or 1 star, and a maximum value of 4. In addition, it made the second star selected by default. Now let's add our button. And we're going to set the ID to button submit rating. We've wrapped the content. And the text value to display is going to be submit. So now we have our layout for our rating bar. This concludes our discussion of Rating Bar Part 1.